What's up guys, and it's time to put the end to the leaks for the OnePlus 60. It's time to take a look at the official OnePlus 60 images. The speed is indeed here. I know it's a back-to-back OnePlus 60 video. I promise this won't be long because we already know a lot of stuff regarding the OnePlus 60, but this is now the official look. Along with that, we also have the full details about the accessories and the pricing. So from the front, we have the new notch display that we talked about already, and also a chin at the bottom. Now with the official renders, it seems like the chin is almost the same size as the original OnePlus 6, so I won't say it is improved. Definitely not as small as the iPhone X's chin. This notch is exactly like the Oppo R17 Pro, so thanks to that, now display size is increased to 6.41 inch compared to the 6.28 inch display of the original OnePlus 6. So now you are getting a bigger 19.5 ratio display without increasing the actual size of the phone, and it'll be having 2340 by 1080p pixel resolution, and it's going to be an OLED display. Now there have been some rearranged interior on the OnePlus 60. First up is the positioning of the fingerprint reader. As you can see on the back, there is no fingerprint scanner on the 60 because it is now inside the display. So that's actually the biggest visual change you'll see compared to the OnePlus 6. The noise cancelling microphone has now been moved from the right to the left side of the upper edge of the device, and the positioning of the power button has been slightly changed as well. The colors at the launch are also the same, so we have the gloss back coming in mirror and matte finish. We still don't know about the wireless charging, and sadly there are no triple camera love this year, so it's the same camera setup as the OnePlus 6, dual cameras coming at 16 plus 20 megapixel combination. We got the same button configuration. The power and mute switch can be seen on the right and the volume rocker on the left. Now one important detail is that if you look closely at the bottom, the OnePlus 60 is not having the headphone jack. So you have to use Type-C headphones and also a Type-C to 3.5mm adapter if you want to use your older headphones. And obviously you won't be seeing the Type-C headphones out of the box, and that means you have to buy them separately, and here are the pricing for all the accessories that are coming with the OnePlus 60. So it's gonna cost around $23 if you convert this price. The Type-C to 3.5mm port will going to cost the same as the Apple's headphone jack adapters, so that's going to be about $10. The phone is thicker because now we have a bigger 3700 mAh battery. This is a real life teaser image of the OnePlus 60 posted by OnePlus on their Twitter saying experience a more natural way to unlock the OnePlus 60, and of course that is the in-display fingerprint scanner. So it is expected to cost $550, and the official announcement will take place on October 17th, meaning it's about 2 weeks away from the official launch. So yeah guys, the death of the headphone jack is now confirmed. The loss of headphone jack is definitely a downgrade, but now we have the in-display fingerprint scanner as well as a bigger battery to play with. So those are the two main big changes compared to the OnePlus 6. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.